In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a priority to an Asana task. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make sure the right person is responsible for a task, so its priority is clear and actionable within your team's workflow. Let's start inside Asana. First, you'll want to select a project. From your Asana home screen, look at the left-hand sidebar where all your projects are listed. Choose the project that contains the task you want to prioritize. Clicking on the project name will open the project view, usually in a list or board layout, depending on how it was set up. Taking a moment to make sure you're in the correct project helps you avoid assigning or prioritizing the wrong task, especially if you manage a lot of different projects at once. Once you're inside the project, find and click on the specific task you want to work with. In list view, this will appear as a row with the task name and a few basic details like due date or assignee. Click directly on the task name to open its detailed view on the right side of the screen. This detail pane is where you'll see more information such as the description, subtasks, comments, and any custom fields that might include priority labels like high, medium, or low. Before a task's priority can truly be effective, it needs to have a clear owner. In the task detail pane, look for the field that currently says no assignee. This means that no one is currently responsible for completing the task. Click on no assignee. A drop-down will appear, allowing you to assign the task to a specific person on your team. Now, select a team member from the list. You can either scroll through the suggested people or type a name into the search bar to find the right person quickly. When you click on their name, Asana will assign the task to them and usually notify them automatically, depending on their notification settings. Assigning the task ensures that any priority you set in your workflow is clearly linked to someone who will actually take action. At this point, your task is in the correct project, opened in detail view, and assigned to the right person. From here, you or your team can apply your chosen priority system, whether that's through custom fields, tags, or sections, knowing that the task has a clear owner and won't fall through the cracks.